Reviews best motorcycles with reverse gears. BMW R18 Transcontinental. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of luxury touring motorcycles, specifically those that offer advanced features like reverse gear. We have a real gem to showcase, the BMW R18 Transcontinental. This versatile machine has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The BMW R18 Transcontinental is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,802 cubic centimeters boxer engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the R18 Transcontinental is its reverse gear. This innovative feature makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier, especially when parking or reversing out of a garage. In addition to the reverse gear, the R18 Transcontinental comes with a host of other advanced features, including a large TFT display, adaptive cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The bike also features a spacious trunk and saddlebags for ample storage space. Design and aesthetics. The R18 Transcontinental has a classic cruiser design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The R18 Transcontinental is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle with advanced features. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The R18 Transcontinental has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The R18 Transcontinental is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the BMW R18 Transcontinental stands out for its advanced technology and premium features. Its reverse gear, adaptive cruise control, and luxurious amenities make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The BMW R18 Transcontinental is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for riders who want to experience the ultimate touring experience. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the R18 Transcontinental is definitely worth considering.